Finding a comfortable position, laying down or seated in an upright, balanced position. Back straight but relaxed, feet flat on the floor, and allowing your eyes to gently close. Simply noticing how the body feels right now, and just letting your awareness rest here. Seeing if you can let go of any thoughts or concerns about the past or the future. And see if you can give yourself the gift of simply resting your mind through this practice. And now tuning into your heart and perhaps reflecting on the question, what matters most to you? And what are the elements that contribute most to genuine happiness and flourishing? Just allowing thoughts, words or images to come to mind. And perhaps things will come to mind that you haven't connected with for a while. Allowing those thoughts to dissolve back into the space of the mind. And now bringing your attention back into the body. Feeling any sensations of the body, and just taking a moment to bring gratitude to the body. The many systems that are harmonizing, coordinating together in each moment of the day without any awareness. The heart beating, the lungs breathing, the stomach, belly taking in nourishment, and the mysterious brain, and just bringing awareness to the whole body now. And with each out breath, allowing the whole body to release and relax. Completely letting go of any tension or holding that's in the body with every out breath. Bringing your attention to the face, allowing it to be relaxed. Allowing the muscles of the forehead to be relaxed and open. Softening those muscles around the eyes. Bringing your attention to the cheeks and jaw, where we hold a lot of that unconscious tension. Seeing if you can relax and release the jaw. Now sensing the neck and shoulders. And gently softening and releasing all the muscles of the neck and shoulders with each out breath. And now bringing your awareness to the miracle of the breath. Feeling the breath as it moves in and out of the body. Sensing the ribs as they expand with the in-breath and fall in with the out-breath. Allowing the belly to be soft and receiving each breath into a softened belly. And if you notice that the mind has wandered off at any point, just bringing a little smile onto your face, as this is a mindful moment. When you notice you've been carried away, and so just releasing and letting go of the thoughts, and gently bringing your attention back to this breath. You're not thinking about the breath, but rather feeling the breath. Bringing this curiosity to the miracle of the breath. Allowing the breath to be effortless, as if you're deeply asleep. With each out breath, just relaxing and releasing the body. And remembering that if the mind wanders off, just feel an eternal smile. Simply recognizing the nature of the mind to wander, and just gently bringing your attention back to the center of the belly. Just let go of any concerns about the future or the past, just for the next few minutes. And allowing yourself to rest in stillness with this breath and this breath. Just seeing if you can rest with one full breath. And if thoughts come to mind, just using the out-breath as if it were a small gust of wind blowing away dry leaves. Just releasing thoughts with each out-breath. And noticing where your attention is in this moment, and gently guiding it back to the breath in the body as it gently moves in and out. And as this practice comes to a close, again reminding yourself of your intention to practice mindfulness meditation. And now just bringing to mind something you feel grateful for in your life, big or small, and just allowing things to spontaneously come to mind. Thoughts, words, or images. Noticing how this gratitude feels in the body and how it can nourish a sense of inner happiness and well-being. And then acknowledging that the desire to be happy is a universal desire among all human beings. And so now with each out-breath, just sending an intention. May all human beings, both known and unknown, seek the happiness they seek. And as this practice comes to a close, just resting your attention to the sound of the bell. And when the sound of the bell dissolves into silence,